So the first aid kit that we have is from VRIEXSD. So this one here is compact and it comes with a handle and as well as a shoulder strap. You've also got buckles on the back side to attach it to a hiking bag or the back of your car seat, for example. Now, if we go ahead and open this up, I was very impressed with the organizational system that this comes with. Okay, so when evaluating these first aid kits for cars, I'm always thinking about like in an event of emergency or time is of the essence, or maybe perhaps you just need to do something rather fast. How quickly can you access the items and will you actually understand or know what to do? So with that being said, this first aid kit actually comes with labels. So you can see here you have one for wet wipes, multifunctional, moleskin, eye pads, band-aids. You also have ones for elastic bandage preps, PBTs, adhesive bandages, and it does fold out like this. So you have gauze pads, pill cares, more blankets, gauze balls, abdominal pads, etc. So this first aid kit, I must say it's compact. I do appreciate the labels that it comes with to help kind of guide users on where to actually get the materials that they need. In addition to that, it doesn't take up too much room. It's easily portable as well. But with that being said, even as someone who doesn't really know so much about first aid kit knowledge, I'd say that this is a good starting point. If you were to get this one, it's really not a bad first aid kit to get. In addition to that, there also is it's like a reflective lining right over here. So during nighttime, this will actually reflect light just so that no one runs into you, like perhaps cars or something, or if people need to find you. And you also have like a patch here. So you can actually remove this patch and attach your own patches as well. But let's go ahead and move on to the next first aid kit.